new scary story of love called Project Water Lion. Rah. Part 3, the conclusion. Here is the official movie poster. And glory to God for the creativity. Bam. Inside the houseboat, Chris and Darlene kiss. Mwah. Mwah. But have trouble going to sleep. They can hear the sounds of the waves and the lightning in the sky. As it flashes every now and then, the rain is falling down more. It's warm in the little room. All of a sudden, the water lion tiptoes into the area where they are, and it gets closer. Darlene screams when she sees red eyes glowing in the dark with a blue cat monster. That's the cyborg. It roars at them and claws up the bed. With razor sharp nails. Christopher and Darlene gets out the way and they throw stuff at the monster. Take that! Get out of here! Leave us alone. Darlene sprays pepper spray on the face of the creature that temporarily blinds the water lion. It breaks the television in half, like karate chops it, and rips through a wall, like this. Darlene calls 911. Hello, help us. We're in trouble. Okay, ma'am, you need to stay where you're calling from. But the police can't really help. The two lovers get lucky because the United States Coast Guard is on a patrol boat with Navy SEALs about half a mile away. I'm not talking about SEALs, the animal in the water. I talk about SEALs, the special type of soldiers that are elite, the top of their game. About half a mile away and approaching them. The military just wants to make sure that no one is out here in these terrible weather conditions. Christopher and Darlene goes upstairs to the second deck and look for something to protect themselves with. The water lion jumps up through the ceiling and looks for them. The soldiers get there in time and yell out to the married couple if they're all right. Are y'all okay? They tell Chris and Darlene to run from the beast and to hop on the boat where they are from for safety. They are lucky to get rescued by the Navy. The water lion wants to destroy them all. The sailors and the other officers, like the Marines and the Air Force and Army folks, tried to stop this robotic creature but was unable to in the past. But they want to try one more time to find a way to take it out. The water lion leaps off. It leaps, which means it jumps off the houseboat. It spits bullets out of its mouth. Kind of like that movie The Mask with Jim Carrey when he's fighting the bad guy who says, "Come on." Boop, 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 boop. It spits bullets out of its mouth and shoots a rocket as the soldiers try to survive, but some of them die. The patrol boat explodes. Oh no, our heroes are in trouble. Don't look good. But the few people shoot up the water lion with lots of firepower. The soldiers that survive, they shoot it up, even if they're in the water. It pounces on the poor guy and drags him deep into the sea. The water lion got one of the soldiers and takes it under the water. Ooh, as that poor guy drowns and gets bitten up and ripped apart. It's a bloody mess. Rest in peace, my friend. How sad. The soldiers drop a net, like the type of net you use to catch fish, but real big, and powerful bombs underwater to trap the water lion and blow it up. This time they get lucky and they take out the water lion with a net to capture it and then bombs to blow it up. Thank God, it's about time. Hope y'all liked the story. Glory to God. It's finally over. Good night.